The soil is particularly rich in iron. As you can see, it's extremely red. And this is the soil that grows in particular the Syrah Pequeñas Producciones. Pequeñas Producciones means small productions in Spanish. Produced in very tiny quantities, between 6,000 and 8,000 bottles a year. This is basically the finest expression that we can find of Syrah in this particular soil and climate. Since the soil is so rich in iron, the wine gains almost sanguine qualities. It's almost like tasting oxide. At the same time, it's chock full of fruit, has lots of oak, lots of spice, especially black pepper. It's a wine extremely dense, extremely full-bodied, and will age extremely well as well.